Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best construction caution tape on the market, the GroTheory Yellow Caution Tape. Ideal for construction sites, special events, and even Halloween decorations. This tape is designed for multiple uses, ensuring safety while adding a cautionary flair to any setting. Let's take a closer look at what makes GroTheory's caution tape stand out among competitors. First off, the tape comes in a generous 3-inch width and stretches an impressive 1,000 feet in length. This means you can cover large areas without worrying about running out. Whether you're marking off an active construction site, setting up for a holiday event, or creating a spooky atmosphere for Halloween, you'll find that this tape provides ample coverage. Next, let's talk about visibility. The vibrant yellow color is not only eye-catching but also conveys important messages of warning and caution effortlessly. The bright hue ensures that the tape can be seen from a distance, which is crucial when safety is your priority. Additionally, the printed lettering of "caution" adds to its effectiveness, ensuring that passers-by are aware of potential hazards. Durability is another key feature of GroTheory's caution tape. It's constructed from high-quality materials that withstand the elements. Whether you're using it indoors or outdoors, this tape is designed to resist tearing and fading. This resilience ensures that your warnings remain clear and effective throughout its use. What's more, GroTheory understands that while caution is necessary, creativity shouldn't be limited. This caution tape is not just functional, it's also a fantastic decorating tool. It's perfect for Halloween parties, themed events, or even as a playful accent in everyday settings. Use it to create pathways, outline areas, or simply add a bit of fun to your decor. Versatility is at the heart of GroTheory's caution tape. This product caters to a wide range of audiences. From construction workers needing a reliable safety marker, event planners organizing parties, to crafty individuals looking to spice up their decor, this tape has got you covered. Its potential applications are endless. Now, you might be wondering how to get your hands on this incredible caution tape. It is readily available on Amazon, and with its affordable price point, stocking up is easy. It's a small investment for the peace of mind and creativity it provides. To make your purchase even smoother, just check out the link in the description below. You'll see for yourself why so many people have made the switch to GroTheory for their caution tape needs. In conclusion, whether you're focused on safety, decoration, or creativity, GroTheory's Yellow Caution Tape is undoubtedly the best construction caution tape available. We hope today's overview helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and stay safe out there.